Ready? What these kids here at Northridge Academy are excited about is seeing a gummy bear burst into flames. This chemical process that we're going to show you today is a fun experiment, but something that you should not try at home. Here are the things you're going to need to do this, though. You need a strong test tube. You also need safety equipment like goggles, you need gloves, hot pads, all of that in order to make sure that everything is safe. Now, what we use here is potassium chlorate, this white powder. It goes inside the test tube, and you want about 6 to 7 grams of it. It then needs to be heated, either using a Bunsen burner or a propane torch. This is my own that I use for any plumbing work that I have going on at home. Now, here's what happens. When you melt that potassium chlorate, as it reaches about 260 degrees Celsius, it becomes molten, and it's hot. Now, you need 3 things in order for something to burn. You need heat, you need fuel, and you also need oxygen. Now, in this process, what happens here is when we drop a gummy bear in, all that sugar that's within that gummy bear reacts with the molten potassium chlorate, and the combustion begins. All of that sugar rapidly burns, but there's a lot of oxygen being released from the potassium chlorate, which helps to fuel the fire in a large way, and I think you can see that. But what's happening is all of that sugar burning away is showing you how much caloric energy is available within one gummy bear. Now, this would normally take place in our bodies over a long period of time, but in this instance, it takes only a few seconds. Pretty cool experiment to be able to see that the energy that fuels our bodies, all these calories, if used in a large amount, I think you can kind of see where all that sugar crashing comes from when we get around the holidays.